do the honors, sir.
देख कुछ भी कर ले आज पूरा अटेंशन वहां रहने वाला है.
मेरा भी पूरा अटेंशन वही रहता है सर. मेरे को भी नहीं, मैं गाने में मैं भी हूं. मेरे को अभी पता चला, मैं तो उधर ही देख रहा हूं. उधर भी इधर भी. हमेशा के लिए आजा, क्वीन ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट, क्वीन ऑफ माय हार्ट, क्वीन ऑफ माय लाइफ.
रोहित सर, बहुत सारी चीजें, बहुत सारी बातें करनी है, बहुत सारे सवाल हैं हमारे पास, लेकिन उससे पहले ज्यादा सर करंट किस में देखने को मिला इस बड़े पर्दे पे जब आपने देखा?
सच बताऊं पूरी यूनिट, क्योंकि हम चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस के बाद काम कर रहे थे
Yes.
दो साथ में. ये 5 दिन जब हमने गाना शूट किया, किसी ने रणवीर को नहीं देखा. सब दीपिका को ही देख रहे थे. और ओके भी होता था तो सब पहले दीपिका के पास जाते थे.
मोमेंट हो गया वहाँ.
चलेगा, ये मिलेगा तो चलेगा.
चलेगा ना? दीपिका, लोग कह रहे अभी अभी शी इज बैक, you were always there, you've always ruled our hearts, the big screen. What do you have to say on this?
Well, to collaborate with Rohit after Chennai Express with Meena Ma, which is, in my opinion, one of my most iconic characters, not just in my filmography, but I think in the filmography of Indian cinema, if I may say so myself. When I walked back onto this set, मुझे वैसे ही लगा जैसे मुझे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में लगा. The same team, the energy, even the character that I had to bring to the song. Just all of it just brought back such fond memories, and working with him is always fun. It's always amazing, and I think you see that on screen.
Absolutely, we just loved it. And now आप लोगों के सवाल हैं यहाँ, लेकिन ऐसे कैसे? रणवीर भाई, मेरे को बोलो कहीं लग रहा है, और बिल्कुल दिल खोल के बता देना, कोई बुरा नहीं मानेगा.
दिल तो मेरा हमेशा खुला ही रहता
है
है.
ना? ये ज्यादा पार्शियलिटी तो नहीं हो, ये केमिस्ट्री अलग दिख रही है, ऐसे आपको साइड कर दिया, गलत है?
आई एम यूज्ड टू इट.
I just want you to know I worked with Rohit first.
Yeah, got it.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah.
ये जिधर भी जाती है मेरे को कोई भाव ही नहीं देता है. चलेगा अपने को.
चलेगा ना?
हाँ हाँ.
चलेगा. और ये गाना जो है दौड़ेगा, चलेगा, आग लगाएगा.
आफ्टर ऑल मेरी है ना. नहीं क्या?
He said it, यार.
But इतना मैं बता दूं, as a fan and admirer of Deepika's work, before I even got to know her, इस अवतार में दीपिका को देखने में मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. As an audience, ऐसे expressions, ऐसी fun, ऐसी मस्ती, ऐसा joy, इस अवतार में इनको देख के मुझे बहुत मजा आता है. She's put in some really fine performances throughout her filmography, but for me, the highest rated is Meena Ma in Chennai Express. My favorite film of hers, my favorite character of hers, and I can't wait. ये तो नमूना था. I can't wait for these two special people of my life, Bhai and Bivi, to collaborate on the big screen once again.
Amazing. You just said it. You've said it. All right.
Firstly, the song really looks electrifying. Deepika, I have to give it to you. Your expressions were so good. Throughout, I was only watching you. So sorry, Ranveer. But you just admitted it.
Well, let me put it this way. I think I was just trying to match his energy, और मतलब वो flow वो
Yeah,
हो गया, बस
हाँ,
expressions हो
exactly.
गए.
It just got better than him. But Ranveer, my question is actually to you. Of course, we have been hearing this term that Deepika is the queen of entertainment. According to you, what makes her that? And off-screen, is she that as well?
Yes, she very much is the queen of entertainment. I think 15 years of a glorious career, having showcased an immense amount of versatility across genres, given such special films, special characters, special performances. As I said before, none better than Meena Ma in Chennai Express. So the tagline is very apt, the queen of entertainment. And definitely, like I said, the queen of my life also. और मुझे तो entertain करती रहती है. She has a very endearing and humorous side to her, which I get to see, especially reserved for me. So most certainly, not just the queen of entertainment, but of my queen, queen of my life, queen of my heart, and of everybody's heart, the queen of hearts, Deepika Padukone. तालियां.
मुर्तजा ने दीपिका से क्वेश्चन पूछा है. Your last dance number was Ghumar 2018 में. How was it to come on the sets of this song and perform this dance number, especially with Ranveer and of course the Rohit Shetty?
You know, like I said, it felt like I was bringing alive the Meena Ma in me again. You know, they always say that every character that you play comes from a little bit of your own personality. So when the previous question was asked about, how I entertain him, I do feel like a lot of whether it's Minamma or the character that you're seeing in the song is inherently me. It's just maybe y'all don't get to see it as often just because I'm shy and whatever. But working with Rohit, I didn't go into this song feeling like I was shooting a song. It was a celebration. And I think, like I said, I think that's what you see on screen. It's love, it's collaboration, it's a celebration, and of course my love for Rohit, the fact that we've done such an iconic movie together and created an iconic character together. So to be able to collaborate with him again, it was just 5 days of immense and intense fun.
And I hope that we don't have to wait long to see you again dancing.
Dancing, no. I mean, the film also has to, lend itself to that. You can't be doing like I don't know, just a bad example, but you can't be doing a movie like a drama and then suddenly break into a song and dance. So I think in a film like this, it has to also lend itself to thing. But I love dancing. I've always loved dancing. So yes, whenever the film lends itself that opportunity, I'd be more than happy to.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's an amazing song.
I'd like to add to this. In an artist's repertoire, I feel like you have drama, you can be in all kinds of genres, drama, thriller, romance. But if you can crack comedy as an artist, then you've opened up and unlocked a completely different dimension. Up until Chennai Express, we didn't even know Deepika's humorous side and her comic timing, impeccable comic timing. I remember I've seen Chennai Express twice in the theaters and innumerable number of times after that. It's a cult classic. And she really showcased a different side of her repertoire, which after so long we got to see Nazara of that in this song. This humorous, joyous, joie de vivre, colorful, vibrant side of Deepika's, which only Bhai is able to bring out, is my favorite avatar of Deepika. I love to see her in this mold the most.
And I don't know if I can bring out that avatar with anyone else. And I don't even know if I'm comfortable bringing that avatar out with he understands it. And therefore, I'm able to be that sort of open and vulnerable in front of him.
और इसी बात पे दीपिका जी, आपका चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस वाला आइकॉनिक डायलॉग एक बार हो जाए, हाँ, हाँ, ए मीनामा, impossible मेरी डिक्शनरी में नहीं है.
कहाँ से करी दी ऐसी बकवास डिक्शनरी?
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.